Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Ram 2500 without key full guide. Begin by ensuring the truck is parked safely and the ignition is off. Check for a hidden spare key or the factory keyless entry code on the glove box sticker. Use a soft wedge and long reach tool to prevent lock or window damage. If the door is jammed, pause and call a professional locksmith for safe, legal help. Start by placing a soft inflatable wedge at the top corner of the door to create a tiny gap. Inflate just enough to protect trim. Slide a long reach tool through the gap and feel for the unlock button, interior handle, or manual lock tab. Apply steady movements and avoid forcing the tool to prevent damage. If you encounter resistance or an airbag module, stop and seek professional help to avoid injury. If you are finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more troubleshooting tips. Quick recommendation: I keep a set of leak-proof meal prep containers handy for long days on the road, and they make lunch simple and tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals I recommend. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If physical entry fails, check for a factory keyless entry code on registration paperwork or inside the glove box area. That code can permit door unlocking. If you have a paired smart key fob or a manufacturer app, use the remote unlock feature following the app prompts. Avoid disconnecting the battery unless necessary, because it can reset systems and require reprogramming. When in doubt, contact the dealer or a locksmith for electronic assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.